Good morning! It's a Friday morning. During this pandemic, it almost feels like every day is Monday, every day is Friday, every day is a little bit of every day. But it is Friday morning, and every Friday, I try to do something that makes it feel like Friday. Oh, my friend Bokksu is sleeping. Wakey wakey. Thanks to Bokksu for sponsoring this video. I was thrilled to partner up with Bokksu again because I love their product and they have such good snacks. So I'll show you what is inside later in this video. Anyhow, this is a what I eat in a day video, so I'm not gonna get too detailed about my daily routine. The last time I filmed a what I eat in a day video, I think that was in Vietnam, and that was like, what, 4 years ago I think? This time, we're in Washington, in my new home state. But first and foremost, after I wake up in the morning, I wake up twice in the morning. So the first time I wake up, I'm thirsty and I also need to unload. So after releasing some drops, I add in more drops. First I pour in some room temperature water and then hot water and mix it and make it into warm water. And then I meditate, or if I feel tired, I'll sleep a little more. So when I wake up for the second time and officially waking up, the next thing I eat are a bowl of blueberries and avocados. Typically we get our berries from the store, but this week it was special. I picked these blueberries at a farm. It was so lovely to get out, get some fresh, well, not really fresh air. I was wearing a mask. They have a COVID-19 precautions they're taking. Each party, like each family or group or single person had a row to themselves and we were facing one direction and just picking. And by the way, because I have a temporary crown right now on this side, I can only chew on this side. Next week, I get the permanent crown. So if it looks like lopsided when I eat, that's why. And after eating my berries, I swish water in my mouth. It helps to not stain your teeth so much. Then about 30 minutes to an hour later, I get hungry again. So it's round 2, course 2 of breakfast. And lately, I've been eating a slice of grain-free bread made at home and top it off with an egg. And then afterwards, a piece of something sweet. So I might have some chocolate, and usually I would just have one piece of chocolate, but my discipline is not the best during this pandemic. So I have sometimes 3 pieces of chocolate, and sometimes I might even do 5. I know. I really should just have one. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. It's so yummy. Then I drink some warm water to melt any pieces of chocolate that got stuck in my teeth, because nobody wants to get cavities, do they? And then I brush my teeth. Look who came by for breakfast. Hummingbird. Throughout the day, I don't time myself when I eat. Like, I don't say, I'm gonna have lunch at 12. I'm gonna have dinner at 6. I rarely go by time. I eat when I'm hungry. I don't count calories. And I drink plenty of water throughout the day. Especially when I'm working at the computer, I always have this cup of water next to me. I was doing some work, actually editing this video. I know, so meta. And now it's past 1 p.m. and I'm feeling hungry. Breakfast has been consistently berries and avocado, but lunch varies and dinner varies even more. Lunch course 1, we're gonna have some of this porridge. Let's also add a little bit of kale and gozari. These are Washington fernbreak, hand-picked. And these are foraged from our backyard. Grape leaves, a little bit tougher in texture compared to the kale. I'm gonna mix it up like a bibimbap. While Mommy O works out, I'm going to eat and we're going to Netflix. Round 2 is fonio and the chicken. Maybe one other piece. Other times we'll have seaweed soup. This one also has tofu in it, and the seaweed I handpicked myself here in Washington. And now, time for a little dessert. Here we have a tart, chocolate tart. It used to be a full circle, but yeah, we've been doing some work on this. This tart, I used the lemon bar recipe, but instead of using lemon juice, I freshly squeezed unripe grapes. And those unripe grapes were growing from my neighbor's yard into our yard. And we got the permission to cut it. They're totally okay with that. So we cut those unripe grapes as well as some leaves. And yeah, I squeezed those grapes and used it for the tart. But the tart turned out to be very sour. So I added a layer of chocolate on top. I also made one for our neighbor, topped off with home toasted almonds. We're gonna be eating some Bokksu box snacks. So I'll just get, 2 mouthfuls of this. Mostly soft, but we have almonds on the top. All right, it is time to snack with Mommy O. Mommy O is quite a professional snacker as well. Thanks again to Bokksu for sponsoring this video and sending us this box of snacks. You might be asking, what is Bokksu? Bokksu is a monthly snack box subscription service
that delivers original assortment
of premium Japanese snacks and tea pairings. Every month, they got a different theme, and the snacks are always different. It's a gourmet journey through Japan every month. The first box we did with them, it was the 4 seasons of Japan. This month's theme is Tokyo Summer. Originally, we were gonna be in Japan earlier this summer, but we couldn't go because of COVID-19. But it's okay. Tokyo is here, visiting us.
delivered
Delivered to our door. So this one is the culture guidebook, and it tells us what snacks we're eating. It tells us details. What's here? We got some tea. Oh, this is pretty. There's a lady in a kimono with an umbrella. Some corn. It looks corny. The packaging is long like a corn. Rice cracker?
Crackers.
Rice crackers, uma kara spicy. There's a fish coming out of a watermelon. That is the puku puku Thai salted watermelon. Something's winking at us here. Wow, there's just so much to eat. Okay, what should we try first? While Mommy O is bringing the hot water, let's lay the snacks out. Ooh, takoyaki! Oh, 2 bags of takoyaki! Oh, let's make some room for the tea. Wow, I'm excited. So we're going to share 1 bag. We're still in pajamas. Did you notice?
This is the best exciting event today.
This is the highlight of our day, yeah. We're staying at home. We're gonna let that steep. It's very hot, so in the meantime, let's try a snack. Okay, let's start with the fish popping out of the watermelon. La la, oh!
Look like Korean 붕어빵.
Yeah, it's what do they call 붕어빵 in Japan? Oh, maybe it says in the culture guide here. Taiyaki.
Oh.
Yeah, taiyaki. Wow, smell it. Oh, so sweet. And watermelon-y. I feel satisfied just smelling it.
This is what I'm eating. It smells like a strawberry wafer.
Yeah, it definitely has wafer vibes. I thought it said it's salted, but it tastes sweet. Very interesting concept where you marry the imagery of taiyaki with a watermelon flavor.
Time to cleanse palate.
Let's have some green tea. Sencha. I love that clinky sound. Cheers! Kanpai!
Kanpai.
It's a little hot, huh? Alright, what's next?
Langue de chat.
Langue de chat.
Banana.
Alright, so Mommy cracked it in half. Also tasty, but more serious. This one, you could put a whole plate of them with tea time with your friends. You definitely get that hint of banana. Let's have another sip of the tea. One of the things I really like about Bokksu is they partner up with 100-year-old snack makers. I mean, not the snack makers are not 100 years old, but their family has been making snacks for over 100 years. They put those snacks in these boxes, so I love that. So since we had 2 sweet stuff, why don't we try the takoyaki? I think this is a savory one. Oh, so cute! Oh, look at the packaging. We have 2 takoyaki on top of each other. We had takoyaki in Japan before. I just love the sound. I mean, you could self ASMR yourself, you know, with this while you eat it.
Mina, instead of cooling, melt. You can have more flavor on your tongue.
Right. There's a stronger flavor if you just let it melt on your tongue. Here's a tip. Bite down on it once with the roof of your mouth and the tongue. And just let it melt. And that flavor just coats all over your tongue. And that's how you really feel it. Okay, what's next? Dorachu. Oh, Dorachoco. Winky winky. Ooh, it looks like a red bean sandwich. Dorachoco is the cuter, more compact version of the snack dorayaki. By the way, it tells you where these snacks are from. And so the Dorachoco is from Tokyo. The corn one is from Hiroshima. And the watermelon fish is from Aichi.
One for you, one for me.
Ding! Very soft and flexible. Ooh, it feels nice to just massage it. So pleasant. Okay. That filling is a bit thick. This one is a candy, it looks like. Lychee. Let's see what info we could get about this. Kaju gummy, plum and lychee. Tropically fruity gummies that taste like summer.
You know, before open it, you can smell lychee.
Wow. Smell. Woohoo!
Wow. Flavor, smell is stronger than real lychee.
You know, when I eat gummies, it reminds me when I was a kid, when you would eat it and then you stick it like this.
Okay.
Do you remember? You did that? I wonder, like, if you could even use this and put it in a cocktail. Tastes like the color pink.
Later, after sweetness, later, there's some sourness, right?
A little bit tangy. Yeah. So there is a couple more that we want to try, like the corny one and this guy, the rice cracker. But I have to save some for the Instagram stories. We'll do a mini review on Instagram. Do you guys want to have a little bit of Japan visit you? You can get 10% off your own authentic Japanese snack box from Bokksu by using my code and link in the description box. And you could save up to $44. Subscriptions include free shipping and tracking from Japan to over 40 countries. I think we did some good snacking this afternoon, and next time we eat shall be dinner. Dinner time! Here we have dolma. Mamio made her own style using the ingredients we have. The exterior is made of grape leaves, the ones that was hanging into our backyard. This is a seasonal dish. Smells citric because of the lemon. On my second roll, this is appetizer. Mamio is seasoning the fish.
Salt and pepper, lemon.
This halibut, our neighbor caught it and gave some to us. Mamio placed the fish on a bed of arugula. And for dessert, Mamio got this cake, small one, and we've been chipping away at it. And I'm doing a very neat job here. And once again, after eating sugar, I always drink some water, warm water. I know it's getting kind of late, and I used to avoid eating past 9 p.m. But you know, my whole normal schedule has been changed during this pandemic. Before, around 10 p.m., I aim to go to sleep. But these days, that's my snack time. And every night, I have a different snack. Tonight is kosari, some kale, and a small sweet potato. The thing is, if I go to bed hungry, it takes me a while to fall asleep. But if I have a snack, then I just can fall asleep easier. It's past 11:15, and it's the time of the night when my brain starts feeling like mashed potato. I'm whispering now. Mommy-o is sleeping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Every day, what I eat is a little different. However, breakfast these days is always berries and avocado. Let me know what you guys eat in a day in the comment section. Good night. Thanks again to Bokksu for sponsoring this video. To get your 10% discount, remember to use my code and link in the description box. Happy snacking, everyone! Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. For food and travel in Korea, check out my other channel, Sweet and Tasty TV. Toodles, my noodles! If I filmed a what I eat in a day pre-pandemic, it will be very plant-based. During this pandemic, I have been eating more naughty foods, a lot more chocolate. So this is a what I eat in a day video, quarantine version, or social distancing version, or COVID-19 version, however you want to put it. Look at us, all day pajama. Blue plaid, red plaid for me, flowers on the booty, and flowers on the arm. Currently, Mommy-o is cooking fonio with, it looks like salt and pepper. There were some pieces of chicken that had a little pink in it, so she is cooking that color out. The past few days, I have been engrossed in making alcohol ink paintings. Here's a little peep of what they look like. And I'm gonna be playing with alcohol ink again later today. I spy 2 owls. Mommy is taking a closer look through the binoculars. Ooh, it's a couple.
너무너무 이뻐. Hummingbird. Oh my god.
Hummingbird? Where's the hummingbird?